I think this is our first Galaxy Opal pull of the Eclipse campaign. Just pulled the pink diamond a second ago, Rory Hochirama. Yo, let this be. This would be nice. What is it? Who is it? Oh shit, Porzingis? No. Oh, Sabonis. Okay. Yo, we pulling some cards today. Let's go, okay? Welcome to the channel if this is your first time. This is basically what I do. Open up packs and try to get Dark Matters and 100 overalls. If you like the videos, hit that like button. But yeah, this is dope. A good Friday. Galaxy Opal. Okay, let's keep it rolling. Be back.